friends, it's Mrs. Kokoris. I've missed you. Today we're going to read a story together about rain. When we're done, I'm going to see if you remember the words from our story. Rain. Blue sky. Yellow sun. White clouds. Gray clouds. No sun. Gray sky. Rain. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. Rain on the red car. Rain on the orange flowers. Rain on the brown fence. Rain on the purple flowers. Rain on the white house. Rain on the green trees. Rain, rain. Rainbow. The end. Now let's see if you remember the words from our story. Don't forget to use your words. I see. What do you see? I see a sun. Now what do you see? I see clouds. What's this? I see rain. How about this one? I see grass. What do you see here? I see a car. Do you remember what this is? I see a road. What are these? I see orange flowers. How about this one? I see purple flowers. What is this? I see a fence. Now what do you see? I see a house. What are these? I see trees. Last one, what's this? I see a rainbow. Great job!